there, this is a cool country rock style lick with some challenging bends. It's in the key of E Aeolian and I'm starting here in the 8th position. It starts with a whole tone bend from the A to the B on the B string. And this is the main idea of the whole lick, bending a note on the B string and playing different notes on the E string while holding the bend. Release. And then here I'm now in the 5th position. Wide stretch to the 3rd position from here. In the 3rd position, starting again with the whole tone bend. Together. There, today I'm gonna show you, I never exactly know how to call this. It's a kind of rolling movement, rolling through the strings. Very inspired by country guitar. It's based on one single picking motive, including hammer-ons, pull-offs, slides, hybrid picking, not mandatory, but I think it sounds better in this context. My demo was just in the key of E Dorian, because in E Dorian all open strings are the right notes. And you can adapt it, of course, to other keys that include also those open strings. Here's the idea that I'm gonna show you on the A and the G string, starting with the open A, hammer to the D, hammer to the E, plucking the open G, going back to the E, pull to the D, slide this time to the C sharp, hammer back to the D, plucking again the open G, going back to the D, pull to the C sharp, pull to the A. I'm gonna repeat everything for you to pick it up. Again. Try to adapt it to other strings. Be creative, just try things out. For example, you can extend it here, what I did in the intro. I played exactly the same then on the E and the D string, only 2 frets lower. This is a really cool run, and you can extend it even more using more strings.